Well, faced with flood after flood, a small Hampton community is reaching out to 10 on your side for help. People living in Windmill Point, a neighborhood on the peninsula, say the city has turned its back on them.
Well, they say a ditch system that used to drain water when it rained is no longer maintained as it once was. 10 on your side's Liz Kilmer is live from the area to explain. Liz?
Yeah, Tom, Anita, neighbors here tell me that these weeds and reeds stand in what used to be a deep open ditch, one of many that would help drain rainwater here in the neighborhood, which is low-lying and surrounded by water. But apparently the city stopped maintaining these here years ago, and now residents tell me that every time it rains, it floods.
Windmill Point, the closest place to heaven you can get, and it is, and it was.
A slogan so dear to Susan Quinn, she wears it on her shirt, taking us through the small Hampton neighborhood, a place she's lived for more than 60 years and recently fears for.
They're turning us into a slum area, basically is the way we feel.
Extending alongside the back river, Windmill Point is essentially a low-lying peninsula on the peninsula. Too often, neighbors say their roads are underwater, leaving them cut off, stranded, sometimes for days.
It normally floods completely across the road down to those white mailboxes on the right down there.
And then around the corner.
And then around this corner, 2 or 3 feet deep, and then down to this white church on the left-hand side, which is about a couple hundred yards, basically the whole road.
Years ago, they never had this problem when the city maintained a vast ditch system.
Then they just quit doing it. They just quit. You can see, look, it's a nightmare. That was once a 6-foot across, 5 feet deep ditch, and there's nothing there no more.
Weeds, reeds, and stagnant water now fill what used to be an open channel, allowing water to flow off of the land.
Now, it's like a sponge.
Not helping the problem? Well, storm drains on the street are filled to the brim.
How can water get out of there?
We don't see where stormwater fees is helping us at all.
Neighbors say they've met with city leaders, but haven't seen much action at all.
Why? This is my home. Why are you destroying it?
And we're working to learn why exactly the city stopped maintaining these ditches as they once had. Meantime, a city spokesperson tells me that they are addressing this issue here, and the city even plans on having a study done to look at ways to potentially minimize flooding. Now, that city spokesperson does add, though, that tidal influence is a major issue here and one without a foreseeable solution. I'm live in Hampton. Liz Kilmer, 10 on your side.
All right, Liz, hope something gets done.